Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel Healthlink, where we're all about embracing a healthier, happier you. It's about nourishing your body and enjoying the journey. In this video, we delve into the fascinating topic of unveiling the 10 remarkable benefits of Moringa. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. The history of Moringa, which spans thousands of years, is deeply influenced by the ancient cultures of Egypt, Greece, and India. Moringa, sometimes known as the miracle tree, or the tree of life, was valued for its many uses. The medicinal properties of Moringa were valued by ancient cultures. Indian Ayurvedic practitioners used its leaves, seeds, and roots to treat a variety of ailments, from skin disorders to digestive problems. The fame of Moringa as a natural wonder grew along with the expansion of trade routes. First, we will talk about how to higher intake of nutrients. Moringa is a veritable nutritional powerhouse. You can get a good amount of your daily intake of vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, iron, vitamin C, and vitamin A, from just a small serving of its leaves or powder. Let us move on to improving digestion. Moringa functions as a natural detoxifier, which facilitates digestion and supports gastrointestinal health. It may ease digestive issues like bloating and constipation and aid in the regulation of bowel motions. Thirdly, it facilitates the growth and repair of muscles. Moringa is a complete protein source because it has all 9 essential amino acids. Including it in your diet can help with tissue repair, muscle growth, and improved physical performance. The fourth is enhances skin health. Moringa nourishes the skin from the inside out, resulting in a healthy and glowing complexion because of its profusion of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Additionally, it might help with acne and wrinkles. Controls platelet count on the fifth Moringa is good for people with diabetes or those who are at risk of getting the disease, because research indicates that it may help control blood sugar levels. Because Moringa contains a high concentration of bioactive compounds like flavonoids and isothiocyanates, which improve insulin secretion and glucose uptake in cells. It helps control blood sugar. To improve cardiac health, on the sixth Moringa has heart-healthy benefits because it lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Thanks to its rich array of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. At seventh, enhancing diet during pregnancy, expectant mothers may benefit from Moringa's nutrient-rich profile, which provides essential vitamins and minerals for fetal and maternal health. Eighth, it strengthens mental capacity. The neuroprotective properties of Moringa may promote cognitive function and brain health, thereby lowering the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative illnesses like Alzheimer's. The ninth is helpful in controlling weight. The high fiber content of Moringa facilitates satiety and aids in digestion, and its nutrient-dense, low-calorie profile supports a balanced diet that is beneficial for weight loss or maintenance. Together, these factors help manage weight. Eco-friendly and sustainable is the 10th. Lastly, growing Moringa is sustainable and safe for the environment. This tree is a good choice for sustainable farming because it grows swiftly and requires little water or fertilizer from the soil. Moringa has numerous health and environmental advantages, ranging from enhancing immunity to supporting sustainable agriculture. Why not experience the wonders of Moringa for yourself? Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep looking amazing. Bye.